Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change password on Telegram. Simply just tap on it and move in the right bottom corner option is the settings and just finding the option privacy and security. So here is the third option is two-step verification. So make it turn it on if you are newly on Telegram. So simply just set your password, type password and then again re-enter password and just tap on it create password. So if you are already created password and you want to just change it, so simply you will, the method is also same. You will just tap on this two-step verification, enter your current password and then you will be able to see the option of change password. So simply just tap on it change password, enter new password, then reconfirm and then just change it. So in this way you will just have to change password on Telegram. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.